I think a good example of the significance of what we're dealing with was evidenced in something that happened to us not long ago. We completed a front-end repair on a vehicle. One of our technicians took it out for a road test before we were going to do the front-end alignment. He took it out on a four-lane highway, freeway type scenario. He was in the right lane, driving down the road at freeway speeds. The steering wheel was centered, the car was not pulling one way or another, and everything was fine. A vehicle pulled up in the left lane, about to pass the vehicle. The lane observation system kicked in and basically alerted him that somebody's coming up on your blind spot, and the steering wheel turned to the right. It was not something that the driver could not overcome. Our technician was able to hold the wheel back and not go off the road, so to speak. He was surprised by it, brought the car back, got another technician with him, went out to duplicate the situation just to make sure that he wasn't imagining it, and replicated it again. And then came back, did the front end alignment, performed a scan on it, and calibrated the steering angle sensor. And as it turned out, the steering angle sensor was out of calibration, so even though the vehicle was going straight forward, the steering angle sensor thought the car was going off on an angle to the left. And when that vehicle approached on the left side, it thought it was trying to avoid the accident by turning the wheel to the right. That's a classic example of the kind of consequences we're dealing with when these sensors are not properly calibrated. It can be scary.